Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, within another lecture of ET263 Basic Electronics, we're going to discuss today about M.O.S.F.E.T and its construction. What is M.O.S.F.E.T? M.O.S.F.E.T is the fastest switching device that was based on semiconductor technology, and it is basically M.O.S.F.E.T. What is M.O.S.F.E.T? M.O.S.F.E.T is basically a abbreviation of M stands for metal, O stands for oxide, S stands for semiconductor, F stands for field, E stands for effect, and T stands for transistor. So metal oxide, semiconductor, field effect transistor is basically a switching device, and here is its construction. The construction point number one is that there are basically three steps. In 3 steps, we are going to understand how M.O.S.F.E.T is being constructed. So, point number one is a P-type substrate. A substrate of P-type is used to construct a metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. First part. This is basically, here you are watching, this is basically a P-type substrate. Point number two, postulate B of 1 point, that is, two N-type materials are diffused in it. Within a P-type substrate, there are two N-type materials or N-type semiconductor materials which have majority carriers of electrons in it, are diffused in it. Those N-type materials are here. These two important N-type materials are diffused in this P-type substrate. So now, with the P point number two, a silicon dioxide layer is coated on this layer, on the layer with metal layer coated on it. What happened over here? Same P-type substrate material, which has two N-type diffused materials on it, and this is a layer of silicon dioxide. This layer is basically silicon dioxide layer, which is coated on these this material, P-type substrate and N-type materials, and with the metal layer coated on it. This is the metal layer that is coated over the silicon dioxide material. Now, point number three, which is very much important. Three contacting terminals are joined out from NPN type materials through silicon dioxide coated layer. These terminals are source, gate, and drain. So there we have this P-type substrate material, and then we diffuse two N-type materials. Then we have a coated layer of silicon dioxide. Then we have a metal coated layer over it, and then we took three terminals from these materials. First N-type material have a terminal named as source. The second metal type P-type substrate material is known as the gate G, and then the last one N-type semiconductor material was brought up as drain. Similarly, if we have a comparison between a simple common transistor or a field effect transistor, then M.O.S.F.E.T, all these transistors are basically stepwise switching fast and more faster than each other. All of them have a simple working principle. That is, the first base head in the transistor was stated base emitter junction should be forward biased and base collector junction should be reverse biased. Then it comes into works, and we must need two batteries. Similarly, we stated in field effect transistor, and now here is the M.O.S.F.E.T. In M.O.S.F.E.T's source and gate should be forward biased, and gate and drain should be reverse biased, and we need two batteries to bring out its working position. Simply, M.O.S.F.E.T is the most fastest switching device
among transistor or field effect transistors. I'm hopeful that you may understand the construction of field effect transistors. Happy foggy season, happy winter season, stay safe, stay home, God bless you, Allah Hafiz.